Hey guys, just wanted to hop on here and talk about a very interesting fact. The list of songs that I mentioned earlier in a YouTube short are all turning 40 years old this year. Believe it or not, they're 40 years old as of this year, 2026. They were popular back in 1986. So, yes, they're 40 years old. And I'm going to list these out for you so you can kind of get an idea of what was hot in 1986. So, the number 10 slot of this top 10 is Addicted to Love by Robert Palmer. Number 9, Kiss by Prince. Number 8, Burning Heart by Survivor. Number 7, Party All the Time by Eddie Murphy. Number 6, How Will I Know by Whitney Houston. Number 5, Broken Wings by Mr. Mister. Number 4, On My Own by Patti LaBelle and Michael McDonald. Number 3, I Miss You by Climax. Number 2, Say You, Say Me by Lionel Richie. And the number 1 Billboard Top 10 year-end song of 1986 was That's What Friends Are For by Dionne Warwick and Friends. So it's kind of interesting to see how our music has changed over the last 40 years. Now it seems like all the different genres are kind of getting to a point where they're crossing into each other. And I think that's a good thing to a degree. However, I think that some of the songs that are coming out these days are too manufactured. And then now, with the introduction of AI, it seems like things, you don't even know when you go onto YouTube, you don't even know if you're seeing a legitimate song between two artists, because you have to double check and look in the description that says this is a fan-generated song via AI of two artists in some dream collaboration. And I'm sorry, that to me just it's synthetic music, and I don't really care for syntheticism. And that's the way I'm going to put it, is music that comes from AI is synthetic music, and it's not, it doesn't require imagination to the degree that it should. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll surely respond. Have a wonderful day, and remember, life's a dance, and you might as well step to it. Bye-bye now.